What allegedly separates humans from the so-called lower animals? Supposedly, it's the ability to make and use tools. However, as you can see here, these chimpanzees make tools and use them to enjoy a tasty nut meat meal. Baby chimps begin experimenting at a young age, like this one that's learning how to use a stick. Female chimps demonstrate how it's done. Females are markedly better at using tools than males, despite what the males might tell you in private. It takes 10 years for a young chimp to master the art of creating a tool and using that tool to produce an edible foodstuff. And if you think that's complicated, let this chimpanzee mom give a lesson in the fine art of finding and then eating safari ants. First, Mom uses a wand selected and pruned for this delicate task. Now, the deal with safari ants is that they're a rich and delicious food source. But if you don't know how to eat them, they sting like crazy. Now, here's what not to do. Try to get safari ants, get frustrated, put hand in hole, and get stung not once, but twice. Now, here's how it's done. Get ants on a stick and gobble them down zippity quick. These aren't the only tools that chimps have learned to use. This chimp uses a bone pick to get at some tasty marrow. Here, a chimp uses a piece of fruit as a sponge to get every bit of sweetness from the pulp. And this chimp uses chewed leaves as a sponge to quench a raging thirst. Are we humans actually more advanced than chimps? Could you figure out how to eat safari ants without getting eaten alive? Enough said.
Resting on a tree branch.
How are these birds using this tree in their environment? They are using it to take a rest from their flight. Birds can also use trees to make homes.